Hi, and a very warm welcome from everybody here at AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and thank you for your inquiry. I have the absolute pleasure and delight to be showing you around and demonstrating some of the features of this beautiful 2018 Volkswagen Touareg V6 R-Line Tech. This 2018 vehicle has only covered just 27,812 miles and is backed up with full Volkswagen service history. Serviced at 5,966 miles, 10,104 miles and 19,838 miles in 2019, 2020 and 2022 respectfully. On top of that, we have a grand total of £6,230 of optional factory fit extras, including £2,510 worth of the Innovision Cockpit with Volkswagen digital display. It is an absolutely superb vehicle, fantastic condition, superb specification and a maintenance record to really go with it. So I'd love to talk you through some of the further features that this vehicle has. I'm sure you will not be disappointed. As you can see, we have the 20-inch two-tone alloy wheels, which really do make the car stand very well on the road. As we walk up to the driver's door, we have keyless entry feature, another £790. From the door card here, the memory pack, £110. And as I scan us back to the upholstery, this is the black Vienna R-Line leather with ergoComfort, £1,290. Let's get another glance of that Innovision cockpit there. Absolutely superb, big display, and the car has some fantastic standard specification, such as the adaptive cruise control, heated seats, and a heated steering wheel. I'm sure you will have noticed we have this stunning deep black pearl effect metallic paintwork, £850. And you might not be able to tell by just looking at the vehicle that we do have the high beam assist at £110. Pleasure to have in stock, and I must say the vehicle does stand very well inside our showroom. So thank you for watching, it's greatly appreciated. I'm sure you will have found that video useful. Thank you for the inquiry. Please follow us and like us on Facebook and Instagram, and we look forward to speaking to you soon to see if we can do some business. Thank you.